get in it. Alright, we're back. More UI. More UI. So I know that I need a couple things. UI goes into the portrait or UI overview. Yeah, I don't really need this anymore. Power panel. Do monitors. Base. And the portrait. Cool. There's one more thing that has to go into this. Behind the base. Okay. This is the office. I need this to go with the office. So I need to put a layer group here. It'll name this office outside. And this is office inside. Okay. So there's my offices. This goes above this, and this goes above this. Okay. So here's my UI panel. My offices. Office out inside goes away. Blowers. Road. Basins. Pipeline. Grass and waters. My grass is... interesting. Okay. Alright. So here's my references. I need to make a couple more references, so we're gonna do... we need UI panels for a couple different things. For the valves. For the dew meters. For the... these guys. So let's turn this on real quick. So when you hover over that thing, it gives you three options. One's to upgrade, one is information about, like an information panel, and then another one is repairs. I'm going to okay. So it's got to be like 3 different UI pieces. We're gonna do, let's do the blowers first. Blower pop up. Because that's what they had before, was a blower pop up. I mean, it looked kind of like this. I'm gonna just have it be like whenever you hover over the blower. Oh man, okay, I'm just gonna have it when you hover over the blower. You get like a black box that's split into can I just have like one full panel pop up? I want to do the blower upgrades on the inside. So there's a fan controller and an upgrade, no, fan controller and repair, and then details. So if I have it to be 2 things, details, so a details panel and a settings panel. So my settings panel will look like this, and my details panel will look like that. So on the settings panel, blower settings, so my blower pop-up will look like this. I'll give it like an off gray, I'll give it a bluish gray color palette. So we'll just quickly fill this in. We'll give this a white, and then this will be gray. Fill this here with that, and then fill this with this. So it'll be a settings and a details. Settings for, or configure settings for the blower. We'll open up the settings panel. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna go to, oh, no. Let's draw the settings panel first. So there's the blower pop-up. So the blower pop-up will hover over, whenever we hover over, we'll get the settings. I'll have to work on making sure that I can access that. Then the blower settings will be a much larger panel. Okay, so let's draw this. Blower settings will be a very big panel. So like this. Oops. A big panel like this. That'll cover up most of the screen. Let's go ahead and do a fuzzy select. Shrink? No. Select shrink. How do I do this? Oh, I know. I'll just color this my white color that I want. We'll get my blue in here. Give it a little bit of a white tone. And then we will get my blue color that I want. Select none. Fuzzy select on this. And then fill it in. Select none. Okay. Here I'll have the details of the blower. I'll have a power switch. This is one of those things that I haven't had I need to go get a screenshot of what the person made before to kind of get an idea. Let me see if it's still alive or available. Let me go here, Outlook. Got it. One second, guys. Guess this is not my email. Let's go here instead. There we go. Yeah, give me one moment. Let me grab this. Okay, come on. Way down here. Here it is. Okay. Here's the app. Okay. Okay, so when we hover over this and click on it, it does that. My god, dude. Clicking away gets it to go away. So hovering over these things, we get an upgrade, settings. What is that? I don't understand. Has the on and off button. It has a low and high. It has a repair. it has all this information. So let's go and take a screenshot of this. Save as. Goes to my images. Aeration Tycoon projects reference. Yeah, okay. Blower panel reference. Alright, close that. Let's look at this. This is the reference for the upgrade. File, save as. Blower. Upgrade. Reference. Save. God damn it. Dude. Can you skip this? Nope. It's like when you hit escape, it takes you out of the game. It's so weird. It should be a pause button. Okay. Thanks. Can I get through now? Right. No, this is like a breakdown. Save as, score breakdown. Breakdown. And you can't go back. That's the other annoying thing. Power on, power off. Okay, weird. This is a reference. This is the details sheet. Details sheet reference. Oh, okay. Okay, so that's everything about the blowers. This is what this looks like. I've never really liked the way they set this up. Okay, just draw it in now. Save as, this is a valve reference picture. When you hover, you can see too that you get this on the side. These aren't clickable. This is the way this looks. So you're constantly consuming energy. Inside here, there's literally nothing to do. So it's like, why even bother? Okay. So really the only things that we have, the doom meters are cleanable. There's not really a thing for this. This is the blower, this is the repair. So there needs to be like a repair button. And this is the upgrade button. You need to be able to have a clear idea of how much money you have while you're purchasing this. What the hell does it mean, health at 99? You would expect it to be at 100% when you buy it. What does that even mean? Okay. So you need to be able to have a clear understanding of how much money you have while you're purchasing your upgrade. Blower, technology, rotary screw, control, variable speed, health, 96% output, power, efficiency. That should be, all of that information, all of this information should be a part of the details panel. This is more like an advertising panel. This details panel is more like an advertisement. Dude, like, what is this? Fix that. Where did you build this in? where you're having your new line. Okay. Okay. Alright. 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 See, that's the pause button, but your escape should also be a pause button. What music? Okay, quit. Okay, I've got enough. Okay, alrighty. More settings. And I'll copy this and put blower details, but let's go ahead and jump and grab the reference photos. Start a menu, valve reference, score breakdown. So I have three things: blower panel, upgrade, and detail sheet. These are the three things that are kind of on the blower itself. Okay, so an upgrade panel for sure is necessary, but I think I'm going to put that in the office. Trying to think how I want to do it. Ooh, that would be cool. Alright, come on. Alright. So the blower control, I'll have blower control and blower details on the outside. I'm gonna put the update and the conversion on the inside with the computer. I think that'll be a good way to challenge the player instead of giving them direct access. Okay. Alright. Cool. Let's try it. But I gotta make the panels first. Let's keep the panels really simple. Blower settings. This is gonna be blower details. Details. I'm gonna make like a little pop-up as well for my guy. So this is blower details, blower settings. How about we delete this actually? We're gonna make this we're gonna just clean it up just a tiny bit. I mean, there's not really much I can do about the crooked edges and stuff. Right now, I'm gonna make it a box. Why don't you just make it a box? Okay, fuck, sorry. Let me just make it a box. Okay, we'll make it a box. We're gonna fill this in with my black first, black, and then we're going to shrink, select, shrink. We're gonna shrink by 1, and then we're gonna fill it in with the blue that we like this blue. Blower setting, bring this back up. We shrink by 1, so we're gonna fill this in, and then we're gonna shrink again, shrink by several. Let's shrink by like 10 pixels this time. Nice. And then we're gonna get a like a light gray blue in here, something like this. Looks okay. Maybe it's too light. Let's get this. Let's get it like this. Shrink this, and then we've got a panel. Now I want to bevel my edges. Is there a way for me to bevel the edges? Border? Ooh, very cool. Maybe I can do like this. Ooh, I like that. Select none. Maybe make the border a little bit bigger than that, dude. Select border. Let's go by 15 pixels and see what happens. Okay, a little too much. Select shrink by 10. Ooh, dude, that looks so good. Actually, what the hell? Maybe I do just the blue color that I chose before and just make it bigger. Select none. Oh yeah, dude, that's good. That's good stuff. Okay, cool. Nice. Nice. Okay, so we've got a panel. Right, so we're gonna put a couple things in here as placeholders. Let's make a folder for a blower panel. Blower UI panel. Put that in there. Let's get that reference. Where's my reference? My reference photo for this. This is kind of what I'm going for. So I need an on and off switch. I need fan power, high and low. And then I need a repair button. Call for repair. Right, then this information, I can put this information, that's not that bad. Okay, so let's go ahead and add another layer. Sketch. Get rid of that. So let's go ahead and draw out kind of the way I want this to look. So on the top, I'm gonna have my power button, my big red power button. Hang on. Oh God, Lord, that was great. My neck popped. Let's see. The name of the blower. Name. I'm gonna have details here. So tech. I mean, actually, fuck that. Fuck all this noise. We're going to have this stuff. Technology, health, efficiency, output, power. Okay, cool. We're going to have this stuff. Copy, paste, paste. Move it here. Okay, nice. Okay, actually, you know what? Let's do this. Let's make it a metal panel instead. I like that idea a little bit more. So let's have this be gray instead. Gray like that. Okay, and then we will fill in with a dark gray on the panel dividers. Like this. I'll bring my brush is good. So we'll grab here, go across, like that, and then do this. So this is a panel divider. We'll come like right here. That. So there's my panel dividers. Put these here. There's just little rivets that add some detail for the panel. The dogs are barking. Very cool. Panel. Okay, cool. So then we got our panel dividers. So tech, blah blah blah. We're going to add. So let me grab my power button. Where is it? Is it in my UI overview? Power panels, elements, element 1. It's one of these, right? Yeah, let's just copy one of these elements. Copy. Paste. Drop it down. Bring it in here. Let's make this like really big. A power switch. Power switch, like that. Power. Element. Paste to the layer. Element copy. Blower settings. Base. Put that in there. An element. That's my power button. Power sketch. Name. This is a part of the sketch, so I'm gonna merge this down into my sketch. I'm gonna need fan controls. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna just grab this, copy this. I want a panel like this. Okay. And then I want my images high power. My sketch. My high power to be here. And then my, oopsie. My low power to be here. Do not scale this. Paste this. My low to be over here. High and low. And then we'll say something like fan control. Okay, so let's write in here on my sketch. So these are all part of my sketch. So merge this stuff down, merge down, merge down, merge down. Right, so this right here is power. We'll say power. And this is fan control. And then we'll have another button. Let's have this layer go to image size, so I can like draw down here. This part of the sketch I feel like needs to come down a little bit. So like we need to like reshape this a little bit. Come down here. I think it should be like right here. That'll be better. Something like that. And control. And then call for repair. I think I'll just have a button down here. Call for repair. 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 And I'll make this like a green button or something. I think a green button makes sense for the repair. I like that, that's not bad. Okie dokie, that did not work. 1 second, it's because it's not closed. Okay, that should do it. Repair. So there's my repair button. So that's the panel that I want to make. Not perfect by any means. Let's merge this down. Power, blower controls, blower settings, base, blower UI panel. So here's the, so then this goes away. You click on this and then this comes up. And then I want to okay, that'll work. That works. Obviously, it's not perfect right now, like right, or like it's not what it's supposed to look like right now. But let me go ahead and erase some of this stuff. so those are my panel divisions. Rightio. I think this is good the way it looks. I need to make a fan controller panel, like a base for where it'll like technically sit. And then, yeah, that should be good. Power status. Oh shit, sorry, hang on. What, going behind me? Hang on one second. Okay, sorry about that. Alrighty. Okay. So, I think I need to make the black outer line a little bit bigger. I think it's just not visible enough. Base, grab this, select, grow by 1, and then I'm going to do, whoa, what's going on? Select none, grab this, select border, not 15, let's do 10, too much, select, grow, border, no, sorry, select, my god, select, border, I think 10 was obviously too much, half of that, 5 is too much still, select none, or Control Z, undo that, select border, let's do 3, it still feels like too much, honestly I think it's just gonna be 2, right, select border, 2, that might do it, let's fill in with black, boop, beep, what the hell, select none. Okay, so we're going to undo that. We're going to take this layer, image, layer, layer to image size. We're going to fuzzy select on the black, image, select border, 1 smooth, okay, border, feathered, 2, go, fill, black. Let's see this. This looks a little bit better. I think I need, if I thicken it up just a little bit more, select none. Yeah, dude, that looks good. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, so that's my panel for settings. I can still kind of see what's going on a little bit. I might just put the details in here and just screw the damn, you know, the fucking, hang on, whoa, element copy, this panel, this, I might just screw that, and put the details on the inside too. So let's do that actually, I think that's a good idea. So the blower pop-up, screw the blower pop-up, dude, honestly. Click on the blower you want, and it brings up the UI. This is where I will show the details panel. I'm gonna put details here. Oh shit, that did not work. So I'm gonna have this be here, and I'm gonna put my details in black. 31 is way too big. Stop that. My mouse has stopped acting like shit after I... Oh my gosh. Put that down, merge it down, after I changed over details. Details. Okay, so name, details, controls. Got it? Happy. The details button will send me to another panel that will be the representation of this panel. No, wrong panel, not the upgrade. It'll be the representation of this panel. Right, okay. So this will overshadow everything on the screen, and it'll just be kind of a copy of this. Alright. Rightio. So I need to do also a close button. So I'm gonna do a square. On the top right here. Square like this. We're going to color it black. Oh, sorry. Close button. Close button. Close button. Get rid of that. Oh my god. Select invert. Select border to. Okay, I will color you black. And then I will do a fuzzy selection on the inside. And then I'll color you red. And then I will give you an X, marks the spot. Have that size. Select none. Okay. So then there's my big red X. Is that how I want it to look, really? It's like too big. How about this? Let's do a fuzzy select on the red X. Select shrink. Shrink by, I don't know, 4. That's it. Select invert. Select invert. Select invert. I don't know, man. Just go red and fill in all this other crap. Select. Select. Shrink again by 2. Ah. Okay. I'm gonna fill in with black on this stuff. Select invert. Fill in black like that. Select none. So there's my X button, my big X button. Okay. Okay, my sketch, let's go ahead and fix this up a little bit. It's a 3, right? 3, and then fill in with white. Boop, beep, sorry, boop, boop. Babe. Okay, details, okay. This is a button. Sketch is literally everything on the panel. Okay, that's fine. So then we're going to kind of recreate this panel, UI panel. We're going to make a details panel instead. UI details. Details. So in the details panel, let's go ahead and keep the element we do not need. We need the base. We do not need the blower sketch. We do need this closer button. We'll take this and copy and paste it across. Oh, excuse me, sorry. My god. We're just gonna keep things relatively the samey. Let's get rid of that. Erase straight up the middle here. Nope, too much. Too much again. Let's move it to the left a little bit. Erase again. There we go. Okay, somehow we are not lining up perfect. What is that? Why? It's because the line itself is not straight. Whatever, it's fine. Actually, it is fine. I mean, merge down. Because I'm going to be erasing those anyways. Okay. Let's go again. Paste. Let's move this to the left until we're like happily situated along the wall. There we go. Now we got this extended panel from left to right. Go ahead and erase on this side. Okay. Okay, merge down. Now I believe we can erase this, so let's go ahead and copy. Grab that, copy this. Boop, 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 get out of here. Nice, okay, cool. So we've got this panel now. Get this close button back on top. Down to that. And keep the close button up here. So here's my blower details panel. This is gonna cover up everything because like when you're looking at this, you're gonna need to read it and like understand what's going on inside of this panel. So let me go ahead and just kind of let's go back to that reference photo. I'll take this off because I figured out what I want it to look like. Detail sheet reference. So this is our detail sheet reference. Name, power, details, call for host. Let's kind of just copy and paste off of this. I want this image, copy. I want this image for real. Scale it up, scale. I want this name. Copy. Paste. Oh my gosh. Paste. Nope. Copy. Paste. Positive displacement blower. An actual image or a render like this of the thing inside of this details panel I think is a good idea. Get this, like the legit render. Copy. Paste. Blow this up. So instead of my drawing, we get like the legit render of the thing and put it in here. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm gonna take this, whatever this is. I'm gonna take this, copy. Actually, no, I'm gonna take this here, copy this, put it here, got it. We're gonna take this, whatever this is, copy, paste it here. Here. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to take this, copy this, I want this, paste this in. I think we need to kind of shrink this down a little bit. Okay. All right. Alrighty, so I'm trying to think of how I want to do this part. Let me, how long have I been streaming for? Only 46 minutes. Okay, I got plenty of time. It's just I'm running out of space. I like it's split down the middle like this. It just seems as though like I might have like taken up too much space with some stuff. Let's drop this down. Let's get each one of these kind of like situated by themselves. Okay, cool. This one right here we can bring up a little bit more. Let's, for my base, go ahead and just remove this stuff right here. So grab this, get rid of this divider point. We don't need the divider right now. We will make our own division after we've decided the placement of everything. This and this can go a little bit higher. Okay, so this right here, keep this together. We give it like its own space. This needs to go up a little bit higher. Positive displacement blower. Some detail panels. The Lone Star logo. The close button in the background. This, where is it? This right here. This needs to come up here. Yeah, it's like really close. I kind of see, I might just need to do kind of the same orientation. So this comes down, this comes down. It's like immediately there though. And then we get in this part. I don't know what that call for host. I don't really know what that does, or like what it's supposed to represent. Okay. It's not S for scale, it's S for select, and R for the scale. That's just how it works in Unity. Okay, so this is how I imagine this panel. UI details. Okay, cool. So we'll keep it like this. So basically what happens is when you press this details button, it brings up this panel. And this is just the details. There's like nothing else here for the panel control. This is the panel control, panel UI, blower UI panel, blower control panel. And this is the details, blower details panel. Okay. Alright, so we got a blower details, we got a blower control panel. So that's everything we need for that. Go ahead and close this. Wait. Grid. What have a grid here? Oh, it's in my references. Okay, so we actually need to get this out and to the blower. Okay, so let's get these out of here. They don't belong in my references. So drop my references away, but these are very, very helpful. There's a blower details, blower upgrade. When you, so there's some things on the inside, at the office. So here in the office, I need to copy this. Inside V02, I just want to like shrink this basically is what I want to do. Like make this a smaller panel. Okay. Select invert, delete everything. Nah, it didn't work. Okay, so we gotta kind of go in here and delete everything by hand. There you go. Now select border 3. Let's color this black. Okay, so instead, let's just do whole selection, please. There you go. Select none. Okay, so we've got a picture of our office. We're able to still see our Doom monitors and stuff and what's going on. This is this panel, this V2 panel will probably just be up in this. Whoa. Whoa. Interesting. Okay. I didn't know that that was there. I had no idea. Okay, how do I get rid of that? What? Because I just want to move this panel right here. So I come into the office, and I'll be inside the office. And I'll be able to decide what upgrades I make. Ooh, I like that idea. Okay, so first things first, though, I've gotta get rid of this stuff. How did that happen? Okay, all right. Shit. I didn't realize that was out there like that. Yeah, it's definitely a part of this. What is it? That's the computer, that's my chair, my desk. It's this, okay. Right, okay, so I'm gonna just select here, and then select invert, and then delete everything. Did that work? Not exactly. Look at it all, dude. What the hell? Whoa, it's enormous. Okay. But, okay. Crap. So you tell me if I export this image? Okay, right, so, I'm trying to think of how I do this. I don't really remember how to select everything, but like kind of no, that's actually what I just did. So I just gotta keep doing it over and over again until invert, delete. Kind of weird. Shit. Sorry, my nose. Oh, crap. Hang on. I actually have to turn this back on. Oh my god, it's doing the entire thing. Okay, sorry. Are you okay? You're in the right spot? Okay, good. Okay, how about this? I'm going to make a selection on the office inside. Then I'm going to select invert. On this, delete, but also select invert, image, crop to selection. Holy fuck. No. A layer, crop to selection. That way, there's nothing else. Okay, can you go away for a second? Lower control panel, whatever. Close button. Layer group. Office V2. This is what I wanted. Okay, good. I fixed it. Was this what I fixed? That is what I fixed. I made borders. Oh man, knowing that borders command is super cool. I'm gonna open up one of these actually really quick. The close button is what I want. This close button I'm gonna paste in here. Not sure where it's at. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of that again. Copy the close button. Copy the close button. Bring it over here. Drop it here. Put it inside. Turn this off. Look for the close button. Not working. The close button is not coming where I want it to go. Okay, look at this. Close button, right? Nice. Select none. Got it. Paste. There's my close button. Take this close button, put it up here. There you go. Now we have a close button, a part of this panel. Alrighty, now we take this panel. Yo, I thought I said crop to selection. Man, what the fuck? 1 second. So this right here is the problem. It's got like a copy of the grid in it, god damn it. Selection, everything here. Okay, now select layer, crop to selection. Now, if I move everything, it should be clear, right? God, Lord. Select none. This is what I want my panel to look like. This is actually what I want my panel to look like. So when you open up the office, you're kind of sitting at your desk. Or you have like your desk available to you. And I'm gonna add some stuff to that, but it's just a placeholder for now until I can make it look prettier. Oh god, okay. Alright, keep trucking. Now, the upgrades, I want to make an upgrade panel. Where you get to choose which blower to upgrade. And then you get to choose what kind of upgrade to make. Okay, so we're gonna make 2 panels. It's gonna be kind of like the control panel. Blower upgrade. Upgrade panel. It's gonna go inside the office. This time, let's go ahead and get rid of my sketch for this blower upgrade panel. Blower sketch, Get rid of this. Blower element, we'll get rid of that. Delete the entire element. I need the base in that. There we go. My base will instead be a computer screen. Okay, cool. I like that idea. So we're gonna do this black gray as the outside. That did not work. Some of the colors. There you go. And then we're going to make a bluish color screen. For my PC. Okay, now one thing I want to do is I want to make the bevel thicker at the very bottom, because it's kind of like having the base of the screen. I just think it's cool. Okay, cool. So here's our PC screen. I'm going to draw a sketch. This is a computer settings base, computer base. Let's go ahead and add my sketch, computer sketch. Delete that. Let's get my brush in here. A 3 is always makes me happy. 3, 3, 3. Right. So then I'm gonna open up my upgrade reference sheet. So here's my upgrade reference sheet. Okay. Sorry. So I think I'll use the same panel. Like just kind of stack them on top of each other, like pixel perfect stack them, and it'll be so my sketch, choose blower. You know, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 blowers. Blower 1. Blower 2. Blower 3. Blower 4. Okay. Choose what to upgrade. Which to upgrade. Okay, so there's our choose to upgrade. And then once you've chosen which to upgrade, blower specific upgrade, you get the options. So my blower specific upgrade, I'll go ahead and delete my sketch. It will just say blower 1, be number 1, and then here's the 4 options to upgrade. 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, and 0, 4. And they'll have the blowers. Okay, so I need a little bit more details for the blowers. Positive displacement screw blower. So like they provide like tons of information whenever you're going to upgrade the blower. So for me, I need to... But basically what happens is, like, you choose which blower to upgrade, it brings up the panel to do the upgrade. So you go inside the office and you click on your computer, and you're on the computer and you choose which upgrade to do. And then once you've selected and done the upgrade, here it will say something along the lines of like empty, like this will be like empty or something. Empty, it'll be like the name empty, something like that. And this panel comes up when you click on your computer, and then you select a guy, and it does this. And it'll have like a purchase button. Oh shit, that was the wrong thing. This one, it'll have like a purchase button. Purchase button. Cost. And the details. Of that blower. I think I like that. Okay. All right. Trying to figure out how to get all this information in here. Unless I just need to make this entire screen, like the entire screen, the computer monitor. Yeah, that might work. That might work better, honestly. Yeah, let's make an entire screen-wide computer panel. Let me get a drink real quick. Hang on. Okay, I've got some water. Oh, my head's on backwards. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Let's keep it up. Right here. We are at 1 hour and 9 minutes. I've got to expand this, so let's go ahead. I don't necessarily want to like delete it all, but I'm gonna take this, copy paste it. Let's drag it to the left. And it's as if we have like our own computer monitor that we're looking at. I need to drag it a little bit more to the left. Make sure we're straight. Erase. Erase, erase, erase here in the middle. A little bit bigger. Like that. There we go. Get rid of all that stuff. So now we have like a computer screen that we're working off of. let's go ahead and merge this down, and then we will make the size correct and then move it towards the center of the screen. So now here at the center of the screen, we're kind of like, you can kind of see everything else, but I like this much better. So now we're working on our computer screen. I might turn that button to like a go back button. Ooh, hang on. Let's grab this. Drawing my base. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Now everything here, move up a little bit. I just don't want it to. Okay, that's good. Select none. Select none. Select none. Select none. Select none, please. Okay. And then we will draw our sketch. So, whoops. So we have 4 blowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And then choose blower. That's the blower slot. Cool. We're going to get rid of this one. Open this up. Blower specific. Then we can delete this. And then we can kind of do this stuff. Yeah, okay, cool. So I'll go ahead and take this as the example. I mean, I do not like this setup, but I will take this regardless. Copy. Paste it in here. And this will be the upgrade equipment spot. Merge it down. I just need something. I need to get into Unity as soon as possible with all of these panels. So blower specific panel. So once you've selected a blower, it goes here. Okay. Close this, and this is the inside of my office. So when I'm in my office, I click on the computer, and then I can go there. So this is a layer group for the office. Office slash upgrade. To my UI overview, my office slash upgrades, my blower control panels. There be one per Unity panels, UI panels. So I'm gonna go. Oh, sorry, don't need that. I need a folder called UI panels. UI panels. We'll take all these, drop them in here. So here's a UI. This is a UI details panel and a UI control panel. So there we go. So there's all my panels. I need a panel for the. I need something for the valve control, and something for the dew meters. Can do it. Let's keep moving. Blower specific. This blower specific something is in the UI. I do not need that. Wait, open up this. I need the inside. This is probably outside. Inside, this is probably deprecated. Inside deprecated. I just want to keep it just in case. We open this, and then it opens this, and then that opens this, and then we close. We press our blower, it opens this, and it opens this. Okay. UI, blower UI. Let's go ahead and say blower UI panels. So we're gonna take this and drop it into my blowers. Yep. My road, my basins, my pipeline, everything looks looking good. I need valves. I want to get a valve. Pipelines. Basins. So the basins have 2 things going on. What exactly is this? So what's going on with this? Why are they like... It's kind of dumb. And I can't select multiple, so I'm not going to bother with it. Okay, it's organized, it's fine. I need the valve UI though. Alright, so what do I want to do for the valve UI? I mean, it's going to be kind of the same thing. Just a number. Right. Okay, so also, my UI overview. My elements. Something's going on with my elements. Element copies. So my elements should all be different looking. Power switch copy. What the hell? Huh? How do I... Wait a second. I do not know kind of what's going on. It's okay. I only need to get one working. This is really just for placeholder reasons. Let's just move on to my valve. I need to get the valve, like some placeholder for the valve working. Let's add this. We're gonna call it valve UI. Valve UI. Delete that. Drop that over here. So valve UI, I'm gonna just draw something really quick. Nothing crazy. We're gonna just draw a big old valve. Boop. Circle, boop. Circle, circle. And then, like this, like this, like this, like this. And then there's going to be a, maybe there's some number. I don't know, man. Hang on. Let me just close these off so I can get some color in here. Okay. So let's switch this up. Draw that in, draw that in, draw this in. Alright, and then I'm going to draw this in. Eclipse, ellipse, ellipsis, ellipses. Alrighty. It's not very circular. That should do it. Fill this in. Fill selection. Okay. Select shrink. Select shrink. Like a lot. Alrighty. And then let's do like a brush size 40. Size 100, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, it'd be nice if I had drawn behind. Select, none. But it's alright. So what we're gonna do instead is... Oh, fuck. Okay, select here. Select, select grow, or shrink by 15. Let's do 18. There we go. Just fill it in, man. What is going on? What happened? Please. Full selection. I can't? Why not? Gotcha. Select invert. Haha. Hang on. I did it wrong. I select this, select grow. Grow by like 15. There you go. Now I fill this in. Now we select invert, and then everything that was there already we're going to erase because I don't want it. We're going to add another background UI background. Get rid of that. We'll take actually we'll take select none. Grab this, delete everything, take this, move it down to the center of the screen. We'll go ahead and do that with it, and then do the alignment. Center, 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 center. Okay, select none. This is the value UI in the background, so I'll take this. I'm going to draw just a big gray line, like this. Make it a little bit smaller. That's good. Just draw it straight across. Like that. I will do a selection on it. Select grow. Let's do 7. Not enough. Select grow again by 7. Just double that. Select invert. Select invert again. Hang on. Oh no, I know what to do. Select border 3. Sorry. So we're selected here. Select border. Let's do like a 5-point border, and then draw that in black. Like that. Select none. So then let's do another selection here. So what I had done before was I had gotten this gray color, made it real dark. Let's make it real dark. Make it real dark. Draw my pencil. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to draw my blue that I had before. So let's turn this off. Turn that off. I had this blue here. See that? I want that blue again. So let's bring this back up. Let's draw my blue in my selection. Nice. Actually, that's totally fine. Oh, nice. Even better. Okay, now we take this gray, darken it up a little bit more. Get my pencil and draw it straight through. Like this, just like that. Okay, cool. Now, we just have to put, oh my gosh, I missed a spot. Oh my gosh, I missed multiple spots. Okay. Okay, there we go. Nice. That should be fine. So now we're just going to border these. Select border. 4-point border with the black. And I'm going to be much happier with this. Using this border tool has been so nice. We're going to do another selection here and here. We're going to select border 5, border 4. That's fine, I guess. And then do it again, black. Bring this back. Select none. Okay, we're gonna grab this. Do this. Select border. Let's do a 2-point border on these. On this one. Get it like this. Select none. Nice. Okay, that's fine. So there's my Valve UI. Not the best, but it is something. It's a placeholder. That is what I need right now. I need to get into the game as soon as possible. Valve UI. Valve UI. There we go. So this is my Valve UI. Radio. So that is everything, I think. The do meter needs a cleaning icon. Yeah, I wonder what to make icons for that stuff. Okay, but we're getting there. Let's go ahead and get into the game, or get into the engine. Man, I have not been paying attention to my analytics. Nothing. Damn. Alright, that's fine. Alright, so here we go. So we're gonna take this file that I've got, turn all this stuff off. So I've got this file. We're going to file, save a copy, assets, singles, export. Okay, let's save that. So am I in the file singles export? No, I am not. I'm going to open this file singles export, open that, and now we're going to work on getting single export stuff and stuff that needs to be like kind of separated. We're going to just kind of work on getting it all. So I think that we're going to start from the bottom and just kind of work our way up and just kind of separate all this stuff. Alright, so let's open this. Water, white, poor quality, medium. I think I will take all of these. So this is fine the way it is. Grass. I do not need these. It's fine. Pipeline. So there's a pipe, a water outlet, and a platform. The pipe and the platform can be together. Merge this down, bring this over here. So the pipe and the platform can be together. Nice. Basins. I do not need multiple basins as of right now, so I'll get rid of all these. So all of these need to be like kind of brought out of this to keep it organized better. Okay, so get rid of this. The Valve UI needs to come in with the basin. Like that. Okay. A valve. Okay, so this is kind of where I like start to get a little confused. So basin copy, we'll just call this the basin. Basin. So there's a basin. That's fine the way it is. The do meter needs to be its own individual thing because I need to be able to click on it. The water needs to be an individual thing because I need to change the color. The pipe valve. So here's a pipe outline, pipe valve, and the valve. Everything here needs to be merged down because when you click on the pipe and stuff, you just need to immediately open the UI. Merge it down. Merge it down. So this is everything. Nice. Okay, that's what I wanted. Pipe valve. Nice. Okay, good. So that's good. So it's a basin and its UI. The road is a singular thing. This blower... I do not need all of these. I only need one blower right now. So here's my blower. Blower is a single image. So here's my panels. Okay, I need all of these to be kind of figured out as well. So I need to go in here. My blower control panel. Jump in here. The close button needs to be by itself. The sketch and the element. The element I need to figure out in a bit. I'm not going to keep this here because I will just get the element from somewhere else. Okay, hang on. Actually, before I do that, just if you're going to get rid of the element, Base plus shadow. The light is here. Power switch is this. Power switch copy? What is it? What is this? Okay, I see. I don't need this. I don't need this. That's the power switch. And then the light on and off, line art black. I don't need any of, I don't believe I need any of this. No, I do need this because it's a part of the off version. Okay, keep that like that. The base plus the shadow. Oh, okay, I get it. I need to merge these down. Light off. It just needs to be a single image. It just needs to be a sprite. Like, I don't need the grouping for this work. Merge down. Light on. Okay, then I'll just bring this here. And I can delete this. So that's on and off. That's grouped. Now these are individual sprites, groups, fine. So we'll just call this the element. Element in control control panel. This is a copy of the other element, but it's larger than those. The base, the sketch is fine, the close button is fine. Okay, so that's my blower control panel. My blower copy. Blower control panel, blower copy. Here's my blower's details. The blower details needs to be all merged down, except for the close button. Merge down, merge down, merge down, merge down, merge down, merge down. Okay, so there we go. There's my blower details. My blower UI, my blowers. Let's go ahead and get it out of here. I don't want this. Basins, valve, and basins. Let's get rid of this. Pipelines, water outlet and platform. Get this out of here. Delete this. Grass, just get it out. Delete this. Water, I'll keep that. Basins, valve UI. The road. Okay, road blower UI panels. Let's get this out. Delete that. UI overview. So my UI overview, I have a bunch of different elements. I do not want this. I want the base and I want the portraits. Portraits. The base, the do monitors, the plaque. Okay, so 1 second. Element, power elements. So I need to get rid of all these elements. Delete, delete, delete. I only need one element. Power on and power off. So I need to get rid of these switches because I don't need these. Single export, and then my light is the same thing. Turning light on and off. Do not need. Okay, right. So with my lights, I need to merge these down. Bring it out. Delete this. Merge down. Light off. Delete this. Okay. That's an element with a base shadow. And pull this out, delete the elements. The plaque copy is for the power panel. The do monitor copy. Okay, so I'll get rid of all this because I don't need all of them. I only need one. Don't need that. Do monitor plaque. I think I only need one plaque because I'm gonna put them. I don't think I need multiple plaques. It's a plaque copy. I don't need that. So element, a plaque, and do monitors. Delete that. The base, and then several portrait. I don't need this. Okay, so that's all the UI here. This is grass. Grass, water, several different types of water. Water outlet. Pipe, water. Pipe, water. And this is pipe, platform. Where's the pipe? Oh, this is everything. Okay, this is the pipe. Platform. Pipe underscore water. Pipe platform. Basins. Pipe valve. Basin water. Dew meter. And the basin. Nice. Okay, good. That's great. The valve UI. Turn this on. It is just a valve UI. Valve UI base, and my valve UI on top that spins, so it's good. Okay, let's group. I would like to maybe group these together. Pipe platform, and the pipe water. Grass and water taken care of. This is blower 01. My road is taken care of. My blower 01 is taken care of. My blower. Let's go ahead and group the blower stuff up together. Blower 01, control panel, and then blower details. Just want to make sure there's not any duplicate information. That's the thing that is the most pressing. So I got a single plaque. I got my element that's made up of power switch and lights and base shadow. So this, what the heck happened? Oh, I see. Power switch is two things. Light is two things. Base shadow, yeah, okay, so the element needs to have that. Do monitor is a singular thing, the base is that, and the portraits is this guy. Sad. Okay, let's just switch these around. I don't like sad being on top. Happy, sad, blah blah blah. Okay, UI overview is done. Now it's the office's turn, so let's open up the office. Office outside, good. Office inside deprecated, get rid of that. This needs to be turned on, and I need to kind of figure out. So the office close button needs to be by itself. The computer needs to be by itself. The chair and the desk, I think, can be put together. I think also the office. So let's go ahead and do that. Until I want to add some additional functionality to these things, I don't think it's necessary to have them all down. So now we have this. So there's that, and then there's the computer. You click on the computer. And the close button. Okay, that's good. Blower upgrade panel. The blower upgrade panel consists of my sketch, my computer base. Okay, blower upgrade panel. Turn that off. Blower specific panel. This consists of a close button, a pasted layer, a computer sketch. Let's merge this down into the sketch. So this is the sketch, and then this is the base. Okay, cool. All right. It's kind of hard to tell, but these are the exact same base. So it would just be a singular item. We don't need that. Blower specific. So the base would come out here and stay on while you flip between these two things. Blower upgrade panel. I only need one computer base, technically. I don't need two because whenever I... Okay, yeah, that begs the question for those other things. I only need one base. And also one close button. Yeah, because I'm going to be... Oh man, okay, got it, I gotcha. Do need this close button. Computer sketch, this one I do need. Okay, so this is the computer sketch, this is the computer details, or upgrade, upgrade, sketch, this is my close button, this goes on to everything. This is the computer choose blower, okay. Computer base, so it's my computer base, my close button, my interior office. And inside the office I have a close button as well, but I don't need that because I have a close button. So these are the only things that I need. Outside office. Okay, so all this stuff is taken care of. UI overview, elements, base, portraits. I don't need any of that. Blower, read. Oh, I fucked up. I don't need any of this. Actually, before we... Oh, okay, there. Can I have this? Close button. I'll take that out. It's actually a part of my blower details panel as well. So the close button... It's repeating. Close button, it's a repeating element. So I only need one in this drawing. The close button. So it only shows up once. Office upgrade sketch only shows up once. Choose blower, my base for the computer, my office computer, and my UI office. Get rid of that, and then the office outside. Okay, cool. So that's everything. It's everything to do with the office. My UI overview, my blowers, pasted layer, and the base. So they both have their own individual base. And then this is a different in control. Okay, let's export this and see what happens. There should be all of the assets that I need for not for now. Like I need more assets, obviously. Okay, let's get rid of this references, and then let's make sure we're in the correct folder or file. Save it, and then just make sure everything is turned on and visible. Make sure everything is turned on. Okay, turn this on. Turn this on. Make sure everything is turned on. Alright, I'm nervous. It's gonna be a lot of files. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so file save. File save as a .aura. Oh, oopsie. Sorry, aura. Save. Okay, can't do that. File export as .aura. Export. It's gonna take a minute. But I'm gonna end up with a folder when I export it or unzip it, It just is filled with a bunch of my assets. And then I'll just start putting them into Unity and see how we do. Is that it? It finished? Desktop, Unity, projects, the Aeration Tycoon, drawings. One of these is the aura file. I'm thinking it's this one. 7-zip, extract here. Cannot open files as archive. Okay, close. Maybe that wasn't it. Is it this one? Extract here. Yes! Data. Nice, dude. This is everything. This is everything. Alrighty. Back itches. Okay, I'm just trying to like look at everything and see what we got. I've got portraits, I've got... I mean, maybe I should go back in and shape everything a little bit better. I'm seeing some weirdness with my grass. Yeah, a little bit of weirdness with the grass. What is that about? One second. The grass. I'm not quite sure what this file is. This one. Is this supposed to be my grass? Oh yeah, yes it is. Because that's the background, okay. What is this, a blower? Okay, so the problem currently that I'm gonna face is that nothing is sized correctly, so I guess we just gotta kind of go through everything and shape it up. Already cropped the contents, already cropped the contents. So just crop everything to contents. Oh, can I do this? Nice. Okay. Make sure that everything looks alright. It's fine. That is fine. No. That looks fine. That looks fine. That looks fine. This looks fine. Right? Yes. UI looks fine. This looks fine. This is my overview. My plaque looks fine. Element looks fine. I mean, this is all fine. Okay, do monitor. Base is fine. Portraits, do monitor. Portraits. All my portraits are the correct, should be correct now. My blower should be fine. Yeah, okay, alright. Let's go ahead and save again. Let's go through this again. Let's export as an aura file, get that placed. Jump in here, go back to my drawings. Dump this. What the hell is this? Thumbnail, dump all this stuff. Look at it, that is it. So go ahead and take this and 7-zip, extract here. Go to my data. Alright, everything is now the correct size. Wow, look at that. Well, it's good. It's good, that's good, that's good. What is that? What is this? That's the water. Okay. Okay. We are on our way. Let's go ahead and get this moved over. Let us kind of close this for now, actually. Oh, we're in Unity now. Let's go. Open up my project. I've had this project sitting for a while, like the project file itself sitting for a bit. Let's get a sample scene running, dude. Okay, images. Let's look at what we've got. I mean, this is a bunch of reference stuff. Dude, no. Let's delete these things. We do not want these anymore. Delete all that stuff. It's just not it. References, score, start menu, details. That's fine. These are all reference photos. So let's make a folder for that. Folder. Reference, blower upgrade, blower blah blah blah, detail blah blah blah, reference blah blah blah, score blah blah blah, start menu, valve reference blah blah blah. Okay, copyright. Let's go and delete this as well. Not need it. We can get rid of this stuff. Okay, man, we're kind of good. Get rid of this folder. Get my sprites. Okay, man, let's do this. I should be good to just kind of drag this stuff over here. Come on. Maybe not. Let's make a folder here, and we'll call it portrait. Take my mans, put him in the portrait folder. See if I can move this. Nope. Alright, that's fine. Portrait. Okay, how about we organize these folders? Portrait. Water. Rename this to basin. Water. So the water's here. Grab all these. Basin. 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 Basin-ish. Yes, this goes with basins. This goes here. These are basin valve UIs. Blowers. Blower. Blower. This is a blower upgrade panel. This is all in the office. These are control panels. On and off stuff. Okay, so this goes with my basin. Is a part of my basin UI. This is a positive displacement. This is a part of the details of the blower, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. This is a part of the blower. These are panels for the blower UI. Okay. This is an upgrade equipment that goes in the office, so we're gonna go, we're gonna say new folder, office. Office. This is all office stuff. I have one more. Oh, no, that is it. Okay, so office. This is a overview, UI overview. Overview. Boop, boop, beep. These guys as well. This, and that's it. Overview. What would you say? Environment. Oh, this is a part of the basin because it goes with the pipe. And these are just two. Okay, two of those. Okay, cool. So we grab this. Portrait goes in the UI overview. New folder is empty. Delete that. copy this stuff. Copy, aeration projects, aeration assets, images, sprites. Drop this here. Here you go. Let me come over here. Nice. Okay, cool. So we'll just say this is grass. Rename this to grass. Grass. Rename to grass. And then we will do again 1920 by 1080. And then we'll take my grass and we'll move it. I cannot. I'm in the game seat. I'm in the game view. I need to go to 2D view. What the hell? Okay. Zoom in on this, please. Now we will move this so that it is perfectly aligned with the camera. There you go, the camera. Bring this, call this the road, rename to road. Bring it on top. Okay, order and layer, please put it on top. Bring the road here. Okay. Now we will get the game. Nice, dude. Okay, water. Let's bring in some blue water. Rename as water. Grass will be 1. Water will be 0. Road will be 2. Water. Let's straighten this up. Okay. Let's line our water up like that. Okay, so this is our water. Again view. Looks correct to me. Alrighty, game. The road needs to be moved just a little bit more. Like that. That looks fine. Now let's get my office in. Office goes in layer 2. Just comes up here in the corner. The game view looks good. This is a UI element that goes into layer 3. Beautiful. Delete this. Office, rename to office. Okay, there you go. Sprites. Alright, next is the UI. UI overview. So I'm gonna get my UI panel. Rename to UI panel. Bring this to 3. And then I'll make start making childs. Here's a plaque. I need to put a grouping. Group, canvas group, layer sorting group. Four, and then I put 2 of these on there. So put one here. And I put another one here. And then I put another one over here. There's on my panels. Okay. And then I'm gonna put a meter on it. So put this here. So we're gonna child the this is renamed to do monitor. Rename to do monitor. Name to power monitor. Power monitor. And then this is energy money. Energy / money. I'll figure that out in a bit. And then this goes into the do monitor, and we bring it over here. Copy paste. bring down, copy paste, bring down. That for all the basins. And then let's get my power in here as well. So bring this up. So this will go in here. This will go into this. This will go into, this isn't off, so I'll do this. So I'll bring both of these over to here. Like this, one like this, and then the other like this. Right, okay. There's some other things I need to do with my sprites. All my sprites need to be point filter. Point filter, save it. All of my sprites need to be point filter. Point filter. Portraits. Point filter, apply. Okay, so now we've got our power. So this is the element, power element, power element. This is renamed to power switch. Power switch off. This is rename power light. Off. Okay, cool. Power element, switch and light off. This is my whole power element. Nice. Okay, now I need to make a switch on and off. Rename. I need to add a child or a parent for these. Parent, say rename to off, and now I'll make a copy of this and say on. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take this is my light, I'll parent it to this, or child it to that, and it goes 0, 0, and it'll be on top. And then I can pull it back out. And then I take this, I bring it here, I say 0, 0, and then it's inside of that, and then I can take it off. Okay, cool. And now we make a parent for this. We say create empty parent, and we rename this to on. Okay, now we rename this stuff. We have power switch, so we have the power switch on top. Keep things organized. Rename this to power switch off. Oh, no, sorry. On. Rename this to power switch. No, power light off. Beautiful. No. Not beautiful. It's gotta be on. Okay, cool. Now we have an on and an off switch. So when we turn this off, now it's flipping on and off. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, so that's one of our elements. This thing gets copied over. I'm gonna make a prefab of it. Here's my Doom monitors. I need to get my portraits in, so let's go ahead and do that. UI overview, portraits. Let's go ahead and drop my portrait in here. My UI panel. Bring this up here. So this is, let's go ahead and make this portrait -1. Can I do that? Beautiful. And I'll just drop these in here as well. Bring them all together. Let's go ahead. I would like to have them all be in the same location at the same time. So we're going to go ahead and drop these here and say 0, 0. Keep them on top of each other. 0, 0. And then we can bring them out. 1, 2. And then we can put them all together in an empty parent and rename it to portrait. Okay, and then we just take each one of these and make them -1, to keep them behind. There you go, and there's our UI overview. So let's go ahead and get our UI panel. Drag it down here, drag it to the right, keep it right about there. Look at the game. Oh, beautiful, dude. Looks great. I would like to make the road a little bit further in, and I'd like to make the office a little bit more lined up with this. So make the office a little bit more lined up, maybe. I don't know. It might be, we might need to move the road, or move the, move some stuff around. Let's go to the game again. Oh man, it looks great. Now, if they decide to go into some other aspect ratio, is that gonna like mess with it? Man, I have no idea. This is what it looks like at full HD. Free aspect. Okay. Alrighty. I think we'll call it here for now. I can't really click on anything yet. We've just kind of put some stuff together. Alright, yeah, we'll call it here for now. Lots of progress today. We got stuff in the Unity engine now. Now it'll just be about like kind of putting it all together. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be seeing y'all in the next one. Bye bye.